Anguvusele mbukeli wetindzaba kulendzambama nalamuhla ngitethula ngise Auckland Park emkhulukhaya we-SABC lishonile asibongeke ukuthi ukhethe thine nati lethamba embili.
Matlala was one of the people who had contributed to the campaign.
Likhomishana lamadlanga litshelwe ukuthi losolwa ngekuba ingcenye yebugebengu lobuhleliwe Vusumuzi Kate Matlala kusolwa ukuthi wesekela ngekwetimali indvuna yelitiko letemaphoyisa lesekhefini lelikhethekile Senzomchunu.
In fighting gangsterism needs collaboration. So you're quite right. The whole of government approach.
Lisekela la mengameli Paul Mashatile uma liphendvula imibuto eParliamente litsinze tingoni letehlukene. Likhomishana lamadlanga litshelwe ukuthi losolwa ngekuba ingcenye yebugebengu lobuhleliwe Vusumuzi Kate Matlala kusolwa ukuthi wesekela ngekwetimali indvuna yelitiko letemaphoyisa lesekhefini lelikhethekile Senzomchunu ngesikhathi ke iphokophele kutfola ufakazi bethule ngufakazi lobitwa ngasi longufokisi lobekakhulumela tukwebufakazi lobethula nguMatlala kulandzela kuboshwa kwakhe mhla til-14 ngeNkwenkweti lonyaka. Ngaleso sikhathi Matlala abeboshelwa kwetama kubulala nekubopha lifindvo lekubulala.
Ikomishana yamadlanga iniketwe imininingwane ngaloko lekuthiwa bekubudlelwane emkhathini kwaVusumuzi Kate Matlala nendvuna yamaphoyisa liniketwe likhefu lelikhethekile Senzomchunu. Imininingwane ivetwe ngufakazi C Lothi Matlala bekasekela ngetimali umkhankaso wamchunu wakuba ngumengameli we-ANC.
Mr. Matlala was one of the people who had contributed to the campaign, as he indicated that in January he had contributed to an amount to the total amount of 500,000.
Lofakazi ungete ukuthi Matlala waveta ukuthi bekanekukhokhela Jidane Shadrack Sibiya imali lekuthiwa iba bo 500,000 lokunye ifika ku 2 million lekuthiwa yekuthenga indzawo yokuphumula lesingathi ipheceleti bed and breakfast. Lofakazi ugcizela ukuthi Matlala wamtshela ukuthi budlelwane bakhe naSibiya begcile emalini kuphela kepha ke letimali lebekatikhipha betingalandzeleleki.
He informed us that General Sibiya doesn't accept electronic transfers, but he prefers cash. So therefore there wouldn't be a proof of payment to him.
Kusenjalo lekomishana iphinze yeva ukuthi ngesikhathi Matlala athola angavikeleki letimali ekuthiwa bekatikhipha nangesikhathi licala lavudela amaphoyisa lasetsha indlu yakhe lingaphumeleli Matlala wase uya endvuneni amaphoyisa yaphambili ibheka icele ngoba weva kwangathi kudlalwa ngaye.
The reason for him to go and see the former minister Cele is that it is because he saw that these people were using him in order to get to Lieutenant General SD Khumalo.
Imininingwane yaMatlala lecoshiwe lapho aveta khona emagama yabantu idlaliwe ngaphambi kwalesihombe kusekela letinsolo. Lekomishana itophinze ihlale ngemsombuluko mhla 3 enyangeni lweti kulomnyaka losedulu.
Lisekela la mengameli Paul Mashatile uma liphendvula imibuto yeParliamente litsinze tingoni letehlukene ludzaba lwebugebengu ke alukwasali ngaphandle kanye nokusebenta kwabomasipala bakuleli.
Lisekela la mengameli Paul Mashatile ngaphambi kokuthi liphendvule imibuto yamalunga eParliamente licale ngekubonga ngesinqumo sengano lephakeme yasePietermaritzburg sekuthi kufa kwalona beyangumholi we-ANC inkosi Albert Luthuli kwendiwa kulimala kwekushaywa kanzi wethemba ukuthi betemthetho betawudlala inzima yabo kuyembili.
Just to welcome the decision of the Pietermaritzburg court in making a decision that the death of our former president Chief Luthuli was not an accident.
Mashatile ubutiwe ukuthi kwendakalani kubomasipala kanzi futhi basebenza njani waphendvula kanje.
Among other challenges, we have also observed that coalition arrangement at local government level often result in instability and compromised governance in those affected municipalities. As a result, we have decided to convene a national dialogue
Indzaba yebudlova bemagenge nebugebengu ihambe embili ngesikhathi lisekela mengameli libutwa imibuto. libutiwe ukuthi ngabe uhulumende wendani kulwisana nabo waphendula ngalendlela.
It's a strategy that must be over and all-encompassing to ensure that we deal with economic issues, with social issues, with violence, and looking at how people live in communities, social conditions also.
Mashatile uphinze wakhuluma ngalo 30% lowafakwa imelika empahleni yakuleli uma ingena kulelave lokwashiya labanyende emkhakheni wetekulima badvumele. Uqinisekisile ukuthi uhulumende usakhulumisana nemelika kude kube nesivumelwano sekwehliswa kwempahla yakuleli uma ithunyelwa emelika lokubonakala kufuna kutsikameta umkhakha wetekulima.
Sodolobha waseJozi Dada Mrero uqhuba umsebenzi lomuhle kanzi kufanele aqhubeke aphathe kulesikhundla sakhe njengoba aletha lutindo kanzi uyaqhubeka nekwethula tidzingo ncandi. Lona ngumlayeto lowethulwe ngemacembu lamancane lasithupha langaphansi kwemkhandlu ngalesikhathi ke betindzaba baxoxisana nemkhandlu. Loku kuta ngemva kwekuthi emacembu lafaka ekhansi UDM, Al-Jama, ATM kanye neAHC avete kungamithembi.
Tinsolo tekungenela kwepolitiki ekucokweni kwemphatho wamasipala kugodla emandla yovisi lakhe kwehluleka kusebenzela wetinqumo telekomiti libonene kulawula kwepolitiki litinye tetizathu litholele ekutheni lamacembu lamancane laphethe nayo ANC kulomasipala lokufaka ekhatsi UDM, Al-Jama, ATM, AHC etfulele sishukumiso sengasamethembi sodolobha walomasipala Dada Mrero. Kepha-ke amacembu langekho ebuholini balomasipala lokufaka ekhatsi AIC, PAC, UIM, APC, Good Party neCope wona abona ukuthi Mrero kufanele aniketwe lithuba lekuthi aqedze lokho lakuqalile.
As this people, we believe that he's doing well, and I think that we should give him the opportunity to finish where he started.
Lamacembu langasekela isishukumiso nelithemba lekuthi ngeke siphumelele njengoba bethe inombolo letinganani labo labasiphakamisako. Lomkhandlu holwa ANC netihlalo etingamakhulu amabili namashumi lasikhombisa.
We are not going to support this motion, even if it can come tonight or tomorrow.
Lamacembu langahambisana lesishukumiso athi lokho lokwendwa lamacembu lasiphakamisile sekufuna kubukwa nje kutepolitiki.
At this stage of our political journey for the next year, we can't afford to destabilize the city.
I think these parties have got squabbles in government, and that's something that we cannot stand for.
Good governance has been brought by the executive mayor, Councillor Dada Mrero.
Tibuto ngekusekela kucoka Floyd Brink njengemphathi wamasipala letinhlangano letingahambisana nesishukumiso tithina ngabe waphumelela kuhlelo lwakhe lomsebenzi kulesikhundla akangena sebende. Brink wasuswa kulesikhundla kabili ngaphambilini emva kokuthi nga-2023 na-2024 tinkantolo likhiphe isinqumo sekuthi kucoka kwakhe kwakungekho emthethweni.
Kudutshulwe kwabulawa sihlalo wenhlangano yematekisi iAlexandra Randburg Midrand Sentin Taxi Association nobeke iAmster ngalamafusha kanye nanogadza wakhe. Kanti ke lomunye walabo nogadza nemshayeli wemoto lencane balimele. Lokhulumela emaphoyisa Colonel Demakatso Nevuwulu uqinisekisile ukuthi labasinzile baphuthunyiswe esibhedlela ngemva kwekuhlaselwa. Kukholelwa ukuthi tonke letisulu tingemalunga lenhlangano yematekisi. Kulendzawo kanti ke imbangela lesigameko isengakacaci kahle kepha emaphoyisa sola ukuthi loku kuyamene netimbi tematekisi kanti ke kusendiwa luphenyo ngalesigameko.
Sikhulume nomkhuzi unobambe njengomkhuzi wamaphoyisa la esifundazweni iGauteng uGeneral uKekana uyachaza ukuthi ke lezi gameko ke zijwayele ukuthi ke zibe inkinga zibe inqinamba emaphoyiseni kanti ke uthi ke amaphoyisa asebenze ngamandla ukuthi ke akwazi ukufuna ukufika kule ndawo yesigameko uthi ke amaphoyisa njengamanje aseyithendeni zabasolwa futhi ke uthi ke unethemba lokuthi ke abasolwa bazoboshwa maduze kanti ke iziko leindaba SABC lithe uma ngabe lifika libonile imoto yohlobo lweAudi ebizimbobombobo ezinhlamvu uma ngabe besitshela ke osibhinqa makhasana esikhulume nabo bathi ke le moto yeAudi lishayelwa umnikazi noma usihlalo wenhlangano yamatekisi Amsterdam la eMarlboro kanti ke kuthiwa ke onogada bakhe bebemlandela ngemoto yohlobo lweMahindra kanti ke kube sekuqhuma ke isibhamu kanti ke laba basolwa kuthiwa bebehamba ngohlobo lwemoto yeBMW ebizwa ngokuthi X5 kanti ke basagcwele ke inkalo.
Sikubutile mbukeli ukuthi kulandzela kubulawa kwabosomatekisi kulamalanga yini kubonakala ngathi umthetho awuyidlala inzima itimbini tematekisi kanti nahulumende akabonakali ayilawula lemboni. Umbono wakho uyalandzela.
Uhulumeni uyazama ukulwa lempi yabo omatekisi kepha ibona abanamakhanda aqinile abangafuni ukuthi uhulumeni abahlangabeze halfway.
Ngibona shengathi uhulumende uyayidlala enzima lethi inkinga lekhona ukuthi bosomatekisi abakhona kulawuleka.
Uhulumeni ke singamsola siphinde singamsola. Kukhona akathinteka khona egamekweni zempi yamatekisi, kukhona futhi la angathinteki khona. Bebanga nje bebodwa bebangekhundla.
Uhulumende wohlulwa nje into encinci apha konoteksi. Aphelise imibutho le
zona zamateksi msakaza bayihluphi kanti nakho vele ukungayihluphi kahulumeni ngokuqinisa imithetho yalelizwe kunomthelela kulesi simo esibhekene naso.
Kubuya kodwa engazathena uhulumeni uye mhlawumbe engasho ukuthi unembangela ngenxa yokuthi akabaxhasi osomatekisi mayengabaxhasa mhlawumbe lesimo sokuthi kubulalana osomatekisi singadamba.
Amaphoyisa ayawenda umsebenzi wabo. Na hulumeni naye uyayidlala inzima yakhe. That's why uthola ukuthi lamanye emarenke ayavalwa naleminye emzila igcine ivaliwe ukuthi ma-taxi angahambi bazama kulawula sona lesimo but lemboni le ilikhuni.
Lona ngombono wembukeli iSABC ete yetfeswa ukuthi phendvulela ngawo. Kuletinye uMasibiya ititolo. Muzi ni lekubulawa kwaSenzo Meyiwa umile kuleli lekuthi emaphoyisa amshaya. Wemukelekile mbukele esigabeni sesibili setindzaba uma uqedza ngena tisekhona hlala nathi. Muzi Sibiya umsolwa weqala eqaleni lekubulawa kwaSenzo Meyiwa umile kuleli lekuthi emaphoyisa amshaya futhi ke uyakuphikisa lokuthi yena wathathwa wayiswa ngco estation samaphoyisa sase-Alberton lapho abese nakhamba sikhathi wayowakhomba endzaweni yesigameko. Sibiya uyagcizelela ukuthi waphocelelwa ukuthi ende njalo.
Are you able to say as to which teams of police officers assaulted you at the Vosloorus municipal area? In other words, are you able to say as to which police officers were present when you were assaulted?
I did indicate that I was assaulted by the traffic cop officers and the police officers who were on their civilian clothes.
Yes, but you mentioned TRT.
I said traffic cop police officers.
Well, we have just confirmed that you mentioned TRT as well.
If you heard me saying that word, it was the wrong word. I wanted to say traffic cop officers are the ones that assaulted me.
But why did you just deny that you used the word TRT?
That is very petty. It's very petty. There is always a slip of a tongue. That's a human nature. A slip of a tongue does happen. On many occasions, the state will say something that it did not actually intend to say, simply because it was a slip of a tongue.
My Lord, Advocate is answering questions on behalf of the client. Can you just allow the state to continue with cross-examination? Let the client answer for himself. Now, and the record will demonstrate that he used the word TRT, we then denied it, and we just asking him why did he deny that he used the acronym TRT?
Yes, just go on.
Yes, do you have an answer?
Because it was not what I intended to say. I wanted to say traffic cops.
iSABC nguyona itawusakata ngalokusemthethweni iG20 SA 2025.
Mengameli Cyril Ramaphosa uthi leli litibophelele ekuqiniseni budlelwane kutekuthengiselana neleSwitzerland. Loku kulandzela ukukhulumisana kwakhe nemlingani wakhe waseSwitzerland Karin Keller-Zatter enhlokodolobha yaseBern lebekade kuyingcenye uhambo lwakhe lwemsebenzi lwemalanga lamabili kulelave.
Bekulanga leligcile kakhulu ukuthi emisimeto enhlokodolobha yaseSwitzerland eBern njengoba mengameli Cyril Ramaphosa ukhuluma emalunga eParliament lapho atsinze khona kubaluleka kwekuthula kwenzani velinyenti kanye nentuthuko lokutsinza live leNingizimu Afrika kanye neLeswitzerland.
This act of repatriation speaks to who we are, both Switzerland and South Africa. It speaks to our shared belief that dialogue can heal what conflict has broken, and that the dignity of every human being transcends borders and time.
Tekutsengiselana ke tihambe embili njengoba lamavele amabili afuna kukhulisa lokho boyatsengiselana kona.
We expect that we will be able to raise the trade dealings with Switzerland to a higher level as well, following on this very successful state visit.
Mengameli waseSwitzerland Karin Keller zatha uncomo lokusebenzisana kwalamavele amabili wabuye waqinisekisa ukuthi live lakhe liyalisekelela kuleli ukuthi emnotho kanye nekutencubekele embili kutenzanvo yelinyenti.
This visit underscores the friendship and trust between our two nations. We are committed to working together in areas such as peace mediation, education, sustainable trade that benefits both our people.
Lamavele amabili ahlishe tivumelwano letinsha letitsinza temaciko emasiko kanye nemihambo kanye nesivumelwano sekungenela kuthula kanye nesencubekele embili kuntsandvo yelinyenti.
Nazivakashele kumakethe tetimali sitfola ukuthi lirandi lehlile nalicathaniswa netimali takulamanye emave. Kunasibusiso Mahlalela kulethamba embili kulethphuma embiteni kuligwalagwala FM. Lishonile Sibu.
Lishonile Mlingani siyavusela kumukelo kuzoba tesiswati ekhaya nathi ke lesiphethe kuhlele namhlanje ambama njengoba naba lababili abasola ngekubulala umculo welitvumo wakulele AKA kanye nemngani wakhe bawucisile lesicelo sabo sekuletha kulele kude ke batawutekiswa nale licala. Nitilo lokho tekuphepha kuvikeleka nekuxhumana kwemawu kulesifunda sempumalanga namhlanje kathi lethfula umkhankaso weTechPepper kunayo maholiday Christmas njengoba ke sekavele asemnyango. Siboleke indlebe ngesimbi yesithupha simateme ngesimbi yesikhombisa kuteke uve kulethe letinyeke lesiphethe kuloko lihlelo letiphuma embiteni. Nzamba malehle mbukele ekhaya asibona kulunsimba eGoli.
Sibonga kakhulu kuSibu tiyaguqa atalomuhla asiphinze sihlangane ngalokutako tikhona tesindebele kusasa kanzi hlangabeta tesixhosa ngensimbi yesikhombisa lamuhla kuyo lenkundla sikhona nesimo selitulu bukhoma nanto zakhe Mathebula Nzambama akube ngilenhle ngwane.
Asikubingelele sikwamukele kunasi isimo selitulu kusihlwa namuhla ngolelo muhla kanzi ke masibuka sithombe sethu akhombisa kuba mahle kakhulu ke mathuba emvula mawubuka acisheke la impumalanga live njengoba lapha ku 60% kanzi ke mawehla aya lapha kuyeke la 30% kakhulu kade ntshonalanga nelive ngolelo muhla kanzi ke naselangeni lakusasa achubeke njalo amathuba emvula njengoba sola achubeke njalo abelisele ngayeke la 60 kanzi ke achubeke nokuba ku 30 njengoba ubona nemafuka yakhombisa kuba khona ngolelo muhla kanzi ke isicwayiso lesivela baka South African Weather Service likhombisa ke kuduma kakhulu mabuka ke la ingcenye empumalanga sifunza eGauteng kanjalo nayo ke la iNorthwest kanjalo nemvula lematima mabuka ke la sifunza KwaZulu Natal ngolelo muhla kanzi ke naselangeni lakusasa sesekhona ke lesicwayiso semvula ke lenkulu mawubuka ikakhulukati enkabeni elive kanzi ke ngahle ucubuka umlilo ngenxa yekushisa mabuka ke la ikakhulukati esifunzeni ikakhulukati la iNorthern Cape ngolelo muhla kanzi ke masicubeka sikubukela ke la emazinga ekushisa kutheme njani ikakhulukati langeni lakusasa masibuka ke la sifunza eGauteng tinzalo lefana nabo Pretoria lipholile nga 24-22 eJohannesburg eFernagende kanjalo naseCarltonville lapha kuye ke la 24 kanzi ke sifunza iLimpopo inzawo lefana nabo Musina shisa likhipha umkhovetsheni nga 33-31 mabuka kubotho yando Phalale Thabazimbi kanzi ke Phalaburu lapha kuye ke la 30 ngwalelo muhle kanzi ke Impumalanga Nzawo lefana ke la nabo Sikhukhuza lapha ku 25 ilipholile nakubombombela nga 20 Carolina 24 21 mabuka ke la Emelo kanzi ke ngilesifundza lesibonakala sinayo ke la imvula ngwalelo muhle kanzi ke KwaZulu Natal kusasa mabuka Nzawo lefana nabo Vryhead lapha ku 25 29 eMnambithi kanjalo nase Pietermaritzburg 28 ngale ke Port Shepstone njengoba lifuthumele lipolile ke Kokstad nga 25 kanzi ke Eastern Cape Nzawo lefana ke la nabo Nquba lapha ku 34 liyashisa nakwana uJoli ngaye ke la 36 mabuka boCebhe lapha ku 35 37 emakhanda kanzi ke ku Islandal lishisa ngaye ke la 33 kanzi ke Western Cape Nzawo lefana na ke la nabo Vredendal lapha ku 25 lipolile kepha ke kuyashisa eBeaufort West ngaye ke la 35 mabuka boGeorge Nangale kubomuso libhengo lalomuhle lapha kuye ke la 23 likhombisa ke la kuphola kuleto Nzawo leto kanzi ke Northern Cape Nzawo lefana nabo Sutherland lisha up ku 25 liyasiphola kuleto Nzawo leto ke naku Springbok nga 23 mabuka bo Uppington lapha kuye ke la 34 kuyashisa lipholile DR ngaye 28 kanzi ke iFree State Nzawo lefana nabo Bothaville lapha ku 28 lipholile kanzi ke mabuka Nzawo lefana ke la nabo Sasolburg eKroonstad bo Welkom lapha ku 25 kanzi ke uMasicubeka sikubukela ke la ikakhulukati iNorthwest Nzawo lefana nabo Tosca shisa likhipha umkhovetsheni ngaye ke la 31 ngwalelo muhle kanzi ke Masicubeka sikubukela ke la Nzawo lefana nabo Mahikeng lapha ku 26 mabuka ku Plymouth lapha kuye ke la 28 likhombisa ke kufuthumala kuleto Nzawo loteka ngwalelo muhle angisho ngithi kungako bengikuphathele kona busuku abube lobuhle